This is a 2-bed 1-bath located at 8035 Boulevard Saint-Laurent. Starting at the entrance, there is a sliding door closet to the immediate right. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance are the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. To the immediate left is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen includes a fridge, sink, microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Next to the kitchen is a spacious dining room. The kitchen and dining room flow into the living room in an open concept design. On the back wall, the living room features a glass sliding door with roller shades that leads onto the balcony. There is a pillar to the right of the living room. Rightwards of the kitchen is a hallway that bends right to the bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Prior to the hallway, there is a double bifolding door closet on the right. At the end of the hallway to the right is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, bathtub, and walk-in glass door shower. The vanity features 4 drawers below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the bathroom is the first bedroom. The bedroom features a large window with a roller shade on the back left wall. On the immediate right, there is a bifolding door closet. On the left of the first bedroom is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features a large glass window with a roller shade on the back right wall. On the immediate left, there is a bifolding door closet.